Hello dear friends, if you want to use Select Slider from Streamlit in your application, then follow with me. First we will import Streamlit, then we will give a title to our page, Select Slider using Python list. Let's take some options for our slider. I will use speed options, low, then here comes the medium, and then fast. Now we will use st.select slider. Here we will give the name to our field. Here we will give the options. Now let's print out the selected option using st.write function. Driving your car at eight. Now let's run it. Voila! Here you can choose the option on your scale and the value will appear here. Thank you guys. Bye bye.